Here's another great RV from Gerzeny's RV World of Florida.
Hi, I'm McKenna. I'm going to be showing you the Sunseeker by Forest River 2550.
Be sure to subscribe so you'll be the first to see new videos. You'll find there's a world of difference when you buy from family-owned and operated Gerzeny's RV World, with 4 convenient locations in Nokomis, Lakeland, Bradenton, and Fort Myers. With over 1,000 new and used RVs, you're sure to find the right RV at the right price right now.